These are 7 action items. At least 1 action item you require to implement. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow or at the end of this session, I will ask her, which action item you want to implement? Or, sir, I want to implement all 7. Wow, wonderful. No problem at all. Okay, like, sir, now the first thing what I want to cover for you people is what is the core idea of Who Not How series? Anyone, can you please tell? What is the core idea of Who Not How series? The core idea is very simple, sir. So, don't ask, how can I do this? Don't ask, how can I do this? How can I do this? You have to ask, who can help me to do this? Or who can do this for me? Okay, like identify right who. Okay, with the help of that right who, your task should be completed. For that, money is required, you can pay. Money is required, you can pay. But anyway, identify the right who, and that right who can simplify your life, can do that activity for you. Because in the world, billions of people are waiting. Billions of people are waiting. Okay, to do your work. Okay, just to do your work, billions of people are waiting. Identify right who you require to util that person. Remember that. Yesterday evening, one student named with Uday. Okay, so he showed wonderful. He showed quantum computing. So he created one video course and he showed his lab kind of thing. I felt very happy. And he's telling, sir, for the last 1 year onwards, I'm full busy. Even I can't attend this session, I'm dropping out. Okay, because I require to do that activity like. Then I thought, okay, so 24 hours I am spending on this activity like. Then I felt a bit negative way. The reason for that is, why you have to work at 24 hours? Identify right who. At least that person can provide some support. Your effort, your energy by default is going to be reduced. Okay, you are not required to do that. Some person, okay, share your idea. Okay, from the scratch, we are not required to implement. There are n number of experts are already there. Those people can help us to do that. Mahesh, have you remembered?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday,
Yes, sir. Yes,
yeah,
sir.
the
I
same.
remember.
Yesterday night, what happened is the same. So we require to identify the right resource. That the right resource, okay, can simplify our life. That thing is very, very important. This is the core idea of Who Not How. Who is the right person? Who can help me achieve this faster and better? Who can help me to achieve, to complete this task in faster way, in better way? Who is the right person? You require to ask this question. This is the core idea of total Who Not How series. So don't ask, how can I do this? Always ask, who can help me to do this? Or who can do this for me? Okay, like that. Right who is the shortcut for your success. Right who is the shortcut for your growth acceleration. To increase your speed, right who is the person who is going to take care. If you want, you can crash in your life. Everything is happened because of some right who only. Because of some right who only. So that's why instead of thinking about how, better to think about who. How is the problem creator? Who is the problem solver? How beautiful concept. Okay, this is the core idea you people should require to aware.